It's from Vince.
From Vince? Yes.
Look at the wrapping.
Thanks, Vince. Wow.
Lola cheap.
Mom, do you know why?
But check it out.
Oh. Yes, yes. Good. Oh, what is this?
Oh, these ones. For your cord.
Oh, for my cords?
So you just twist it so it retracts.
Oh, nice. Wow, this is so nice. Wow. Okay, from Johnny. Oh my God.
I wasn't here yet.
No. Ah, that's so sweet, man.
Go to Mami Nora. Kids, go to Mami Nora. She's gonna give you 20 bucks each.
She's at the church.
Ramen. Oh, oh, it's a boxer.
Oh, I've seen that.
Yeah, but some spiciness, huh?
We have another kid.
360 picture first.
Yeah! Addition to my collection of 30 bottles.
You're so annoying. Give it to me because I like how you had it. Take that then. I love you.
Okay, Jeff.
I just picture frame too.
Ito naman ang mga picture frame naman.
Gusto ko nga.
So,
Thank you.
Show.
Yes. Wow, for all my stuff.
Yeah, you need.
Am I like it?
What is it?
Yeah, thank you. Ay. Oh, wow. The cruising life. Ah, there's two? Wow, the Canucks. Ah, this is so awesome. Thanks, guys. I love you. Open. Okay, sit down. Open it. It's for Mama Vernice. Rip it. Break it. Yeah. Ooh, what is that? What is it? Aiden, what is this? It's a turtle. The cruising life.
What is it?
Oh, 2019. Oh, that's nice, ate. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, Mahal, your turn. It's another uniform too. Parang skin natin.
I know.
Ay, hindi. Oh, nice. Ooh. Is it a crop top? Ate?
Oh, because get lowered. The shirt. So you wear that and then shirt is
Yeah.
crop top.
That's nice. That's nice. Oh, it's very comfy.
Fleecy.
Yeah.
Appreciate the borders. That's from Blaine.
Yeah, I have to pick it up.
Oh, nice. LV.
It's nice, right? I like that towel.
Damier.
Wow, nice. May isa pa pala. I don't know. Yay! Hair clip! Yeah, because you always lose your hair clip. It's everywhere.
There's schedule.
Oh, schedule. Oh, 2024 eh. No.
Eating our promo.
Oh, that's in the book.
Platform manager Corbin.
Wow! Whoa!
What's this?
So awesome. It lights up too.
The trail for plant trellis.
Oh, last one.
So this one,
Abby,
I
just
can tell
wait.
you it's not 3D.
It's not the what?
It's not 3D.
Ooh, what is that? Cookie box. Huh?
It's a crochet.
Oh!
Cookie biscuit.
Ooh.
Oh wow.
What is that?
It's for her vinyl, for her cricket stuff.
Cricket?
The vinyl holder.
Oh, the vinyl. Oh, thank you.
Sa mga galing. Wow.
Look at the back.
Look at the back. Uyo! Napugutan na. Okay, I got it.
The back.
Oh, Bam Squad.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, so
Nice. A gift from you guys, for you guys. The boxes, the green and the red. Since these two didn't join for this year's $15, but we still decide to give them something. What is it?
Oh, Boston Pizza.
It's $200 each.
Where?
Yeah, but
200. Eh, sorry. Magkano, how much is it? 25 each? 25 each.
Does that include dropping off the kids to your place and then you go to the
No. Sorry.
You actually good.
You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. I love you guys. I know.
Oh my god.
Nice. How about Ate? What's
Oh
yours?
my gosh.
Chocolates?
Oh my god.
Chocolate, really?
Oh.
This is also my shades.
Oh, I thought like it was shines.
Oh, but G's different.
Jesus is different.
Let's see yours,
Which
Ate.
is a different.
Oh.
That is it.
That's for Kuya Mike.
This is for professional use.
Oh, ang laki.
Pang duster.
Ang duster. Gatuhod eh.
It's a shirt dress.
Oh, nice. What is it?
It's the same hockey. It's the same hockey.
What is it? Oh, it's Canucks too.
Oh,
Yeah! New York. Let's see. Oh, Penridge. Akala mo, ha?
Oh, he has lipstick on! Oh my god!
Like the name of the back. Michelle. Wow, that's so cool. Put it beside each other. So mindful. So demure. Say hi, ate. Nasa wawawin ka.
Guys, I can't have enough hair clips. I still have so much from last year. Thank you, but I do need this because I broke them. I have a feeling what this is.
Oh yeah.
So, and
Oh, I knew it!
what is that? Oh, brushes.
Sunglasses.
Just wait.
Ay, sorry. Ito naman, napakatawa rin yung
Meta, Ken. Meta.
meta. Meta. Oh.
Not me.
Oh, wow. It's not Prada. Not Prada. Prada.
Friday. Gucci Gabbana.
Gucci Gabbana Vuitton.
Thank you.
Lakas maka-state witness. Oh.
Yeah, that was the one that was wearing in the picture. You
Jonathan Polis.
yellow.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
Jonathan Polis.
Ayun pala.
No, isama ko to lahat to. So, for third, ano to?
Estelle,
Yan.
regalo to niya dyan? Si Estelle rin.
Ako nagpa-print ng tsaka.
Ay, mali pang ano.
Estelita.
Wow.
I have 2 frames of Estelle sa bahay.
That's the most recent.
Estelle, thank you. Ang ganda rin eh. You're so
No.
pretty. Such a pretty girl.
I know.
Let me guess a frame.
That's for you, ate.
I'm gonna-
Ay, ang lapit. Sorry, ang lapit. Ang lapit. Sorry.
I'm gonna be so surprised because I didn't ask for this. Oh, I didn't. Ooh, hi there. Is it really what's inside?
No, that's
Yeah,
from
it is,
Johnny.
it is.
That's from
Oh,
Johnny.
thank you. I was like, oh, that's expensive.
That was from the hotel.
I know.
Kasi it was Crabtree and Evanescence. Evanescence ba to? Evelyn pala. Ka-Evelyn. Si Ka-Evelyn.
It's a flavor. Ooh, dulce de leche.
Yes.
Very thoughtful, Jen.
Very mindful.
Very demure. Okay, open mine.
Huh?
That's my gift for you, ate.
Stop!
I think it was part of GK.
You
Yeah.
know, you're getting older. You need to get rid of cellulite.
Tara na yung budiyo.
Tadara ng Morcon. Ano yun? Charcuterie? Ano yun?
Charcuterie.
Charcuterie.
This one's from Vince.
From Vince.
From Vince, okay? Open look at the front.
Oh, nice.
Some jewelry.
Also personalized.
For support.
Please. Show.
What's that? Michelle. Oh, it's standing.
For earrings and stuff.
So,
That's so
knock
nice.
on wood, if there's an emergency in New York, first thing I'm gonna grab is this. My jewelry will stay in here. Thank you, it's very personal.
Yeah, it's a very personalized. Nakakahiya talaga yung mga regalo namin. Nakakahiya. Nakakahiya. Ooh.
Car.
That's the same. That's the same one we got for the white elephant.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, with the remote holder. Oh no.
did not.
Oh, it's a cup holder. Oh no, ours was like a remote holder.
All I can say is your back.
It's for my brand new car.
Ito na puwet ko.
Ooh. Dispenser.
With the light.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good.
What?
Poop dispenser. I poop dispenser with the light.
Maggie dispenser.
With light.
Thoughtful.
Ano yung kachakuri?
Very mindful.
Achara churi.
Very forgetful.
Kuri.
Batman.
Oh, kaya pala.
Very mindful. Very forgetful.
Bakit forgetful? Oh.
Bumawi naman sa hotel at nakapagkain. So thank you.
Yeah, okay na din. Okay na din.
Oh my gosh, I forgot what it was.
What is it?
Filament.
Filaments. Oh.
Did you have to pay my shipping?
He got the filament. He got the filament for his 3D printer. Nice, pretty cool. Planning to get one, but we'll see. Nice. Good job. You can print more stuff now.
I specifically asked for it, I forgot.
Come here, Dad.
I would buy it if it's $5.
Yeah. Very unexpected.
Very mindful. Very
Okay. From Johnny and Kenneth.
Under $15.
Yes. What is it? Oh, it's a picture frame! Yay! Now he wanted it. We were deciding if we should get like the half, like 2 of the small ones, but there's nothing left. There's one more. Yeah.
I don't know what this one is.
Next time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Put like stuff.
Yeah, very useful.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. Welcome. Ooh! Wow! Oh.
Are you playing
Oh, nice! From Vince.
I will buy
Hindi mo alam? Hindi mo alam what it is?
$10.
$10.
Oh my god, what is it?
It's also printed!
Oh my god.
Oh.
Ellie, which
Wow.
one's yours? I would buy the shirt. This is just a $15. I know. It sucks.
Socks, yeah! Win-win.
Okay, nameless.
Beans. Mr. Beans.
This is their fit. That's like green jeans, like the beans.
You're so
Organize it.
madoy.
That's just the box. No, it's actually like organizer. Yeah.
It's actually right.
From IKEA.
Right here.
Great, yes.
Can I hang it?
You have no.
What is it?
Look at hang it.
Organizer.
Oh, we need that at home in Carson.
7-day sushi.
Socks! More socks.
Thank you.
More socks.
Cute.
Next, every year you get. Now, the name.
It's a frame.
It's a frame. It's also Estelle.
Just picture.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Gore-Tex?
Wow.
Oh, Lululemon.
Wow. Bako kayo.
That's Jeff's. Alright, Ate G.
Oh, you guys have there.
Contigo. That can hold your drink for 6 hours na it's really hot.
Start from
Buy
Ate.
it if it's under $5.
Ito naman, napaka-ano mo. So, galing mo.
No, those are the
Woo!
twice as much.
What is that?
$15 thing.
Oh, what is it?
No, it's a joke.
Ayun, Jeff.
It's a Plano. Oh, wow.
Ooh, I like this.
Guys, what's yours? From Ate. Oh, nice! Parang may trend. Parang nagte-trend. Ano? Yung akin yun. Parang may trend. I
Mike,
know.
wear yours so they can match with
What color is this?
I like this one.
Blue. Mine will be green for sure.
No, red.
Kailan ang practice natin? Nasayaw.
Maga red.
Bigay pala ni Mami.
Green, you guessed it right though.
Green!
Green. That is different.
Ah, iba! Yes, iba sa inyo.
Oh, you're not special.
Okay, Vince, open yours.
Parang ano? Parang kami ni Vince. Blue. As yours, blue.
Take a picture of the four of you.
Kailan ang sayaw natin? Ay, lagi.
No, not me. Over there.
So hard to get up now.
Uniform eh. NYC.
Okay. 1, 2.
Ay, nilalamutak na.
Yeah.